Ruling MLAs of Manipur have flown in Delhi to reach a final decision on pressing state matters. Several MLAs have already departed for New Delhi since yesterday. Meanwhile, 2 MLAs were seen at Imphal International Airport preparing to depart for Delhi today. Our chief reporter, Premchand, brings you an exclusive report.
At Imphal International Airport, MLA Thonawjam Shyamkumar announced his departure for Delhi today, citing personal reasons. In response to a query from SKTV News, Shyamkumar disclosed that ruling MLAs have opted to convene in Delhi to finalize decisions concerning the ongoing conflict in Manipur. BJP
aduna we pe khana bada all the honorable MNN mayam ji Delhi da salakanda aroi ba khile ma ji lawrasi ai me to malai aduna sa ya to ba actually.
Meanwhile, MLA R.K. Imo from Sagolban Assembly constituency was also spotted at the airport. Responding to a query from SKTV News, he mentioned that appointments to meet the Prime Minister and Home Minister have been requested. He clarified that once confirmation is received, all the MLAs will meet with the 2 leaders to discuss and address the current situation in Manipur.
Yes, Prime Minister, the appointment number 6 taugi, the Home Minister, the appointment number 6 taugi, adu Hanukan the Sakado Matari, exactly the personal in a Sapavani, Magiada, Navale, Sapani, Aduga, Matamum Pirakumatamda, Apumian Pulap Salaga, and Tava, Kaitoga, for each of the Simbarina have opened certain points, Helmale Mamsa, must a Pangupi have a Maduri.
No, Sing double. Prime Minister
Siam the Ram to Hydra. I'm doing Hanatan, you shouldn't be out in. But me and when appointment from Kansan, I know. Magi Kabuki Matuinaka, Hanatan Bakara, my personal decision. Aduga, I do say appointments is sick or Pira and the Sanction at Mina, Hina Rogi, resolution town. Masida, I hear Masimatogani and Matogani have a gear, I hear Hapuna, Madu. Harmless Hagala to be the paying Kalidi, Queen of Panjers, Anti Labor, Peace Lap, Madu, Tabaki, Consummation to the city. So it's not Madu, one of them.
Most of the ruling MLAs of Manipur decided to resolve the current conflict of Manipur by making final decision in New Delhi. Most of the MLAs began arriving in New Delhi since yesterday, and the people of Manipur also eager to know the purpose of their visits. Are they going to meet the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who has not met any of leaders from Manipur since the violence occurred in the state? But people still have hold out hope from these Delhi visits. This is Premchand reporting from Imphal International Airport, SKTV News, Imphal.